Good morning, friends. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, we'll be discussing about Indian Air Force concerning that is X and Y group, whatever the syllabus as well as complete selection process of the life of the airman. Everything will be discussed in this video. We had already discussed about Indian Navy, SSR, and Artificer Apprentice. You can have a look in the playlist. You will find the good one. So let us start with the Indian Air Force X and Y group. How exactly the selection process will be. I request you guys. I'm not demanding you to subscribe. I just want you to check the playlist where you will find the maximum information regarding all the X and Y group previous year papers and the relevant mock test of 20 for a free of cost. So let us start with this. What exactly the job profile in Air Force and the life in Air Force and study material and the paper pattern and the syllabus, everything it is written in it. So what are the benefits we have in after the retirement? So that will be discussed in this slide. So next, as you can see, we have the tri forces. In Navy, we call them as sailor. In Army, we call them as Zawan. And Air Force, that is airman. In this selection process, what you have to remember is now the Air Force has done online examination and negative markings has come. We have the DFT as well as group discussion, that is dynamic factor test will be there. We have the X group technical traits, in that we have the fitter branch, among them automobile fitter, electronics, mechanical, system, structure, propulsion, workshop, that is smith, as well as weapon fitters. So these are all the various sub branches which are they are all called as automobile fitter, electronics fitter. So this branch we have in X group of technical trade. And there is an instructor, education instructor, that is one thing in this. Non-tech wise, we should have a graduation for this instead 12th standard. Here the next is Y group technical trades. So in this we have admin assistant, clerical, logistics, environmental support, accounts assistant, medical ops and meteorological and ground training and provost and security and musician. They are all non-tech. Here we have the communication as well as automobile technician, which is exists in Y group. So every year we'll have the twice selections, and you can directly have the playlist in my YouTube channel where you'll find 20 mock tests, and those are free videos. It has been given full Y group question papers. When it comes to the exam process, how exactly the exam nowadays, the exam has become it's online. So as you can see how exactly the online in future will not be having any kind of computers. You will be directly giving one tab and you start clicking on that and skip. So this will be the future of online examination in future. Selection process, obviously we have the multiple choice questions which has got, I'll tell you what exactly the syllabus as well as the questions we will have in online exam. And the phase 2, in that phase 2 we'll have the PFT, physical fitness test, besides adaptability test, and we have the phase 3. In that medical will be there, provisional as well as selection and enrollment list. So overall these are the stages you have to undergo. First you will be given a provisional list, and then whoever has not submitted the original documents, then they will be screened out as per the merit. Enrollment list is the final list. If we say this selection process is only for males, not for the females. So what should be the percentage in the Y group? For the education instructor, the age has to be 19 to 24 years, and the diploma holders can also be applied. They can apply. You must have the diploma of 50%. You have to be unmarried between 16 to 20. 12 should be MPC with 50% overall. Whoever the diploma holders are there, just check with the notification, you have a chance to apply. When it comes to X and Y group, the percentage above 50% has to be there. Whoever are medical assistant, if you want to stay as a medical assistant in Air Force, you should have the BPC subject in the 12th standard with 50% overall. And that we knew that people are doing from the various outside boards, but it has to be recognized board. We knew that people are doing corresponding and vocational course post 10th standard because of economically weaker section people, so they can directly apply for the after doing this vocational course also. How exactly the exam pattern we have in the X group? I'm talking about the technical trade, that is X group. Maths 25 questions will have, you have to finish it in 20 minutes. This 20 minutes is completely for maths only. So we can't skip physics in 10 minutes and utilize it in mathematics. Negative. You have adequate 25 minutes for physics, English 25 questions for 20 minutes. So every section has got, once the section is completed, that 20 minutes and the math section is completed. That's it. Here we have total, we have the 70 questions. Here the English is 20 questions, it's not 25. So overall we have out of 70 questions within a span of 60 seconds you have to finish. If we say X and Y group, if you guys are appearing for X and Y group, then you have got a chance to appear mathematics, physics, English and Raga. Now we have the negative markings in exam 1/4. So here we have 25, 25, 50 and 50. So total of 100 marks for both X and Y. So whatever you feel like, you can choose for the exam. So if you want to apply only for the Y group, if you are not fit for X group, you can apply for Y group, and you have to give the Raga, in which you have got reasoning, maths, that consists of 30 marks and 25 questions within 25 minutes, and English we have a 20 minutes of 20 questions. So we have a total of 50 questions within a span of 45 minutes. So here next we have physical fitness test. Once your examination is finished, you have completed successfully the written examination, you are in list, then you will be called for PFT, physical fitness test. And I just want to tell you guys, you can't be slack during the time of examination of PFT, because the failing chances are more. People are very busy. You have a 1.6 kilometers race, 6 minutes 30 seconds, 10 push-ups will be there, 10 sit-ups and 20 squats you will have. Next we have to remember, so as you can see how exactly 1.6 kilometers, 10 push-ups, 10 sit-ups and 20 squats. As you can see the adaptability test, if you finished with the PFT, the next phase will be adaptability test. So this is one thing. Offline you will have, in this offline you have to give multiple choice questions, and that you have DFT dynamic factor test, that is for 15 minutes. English you will have for 20 questions, you will be given 20 questions in them, and you have to attend those 20 questions. Situation reaction test, those are 45 questions will be given within a span of 30 minutes. These are of, you have to take whatever the feasible answer you feel, or you have to write in that. Next, adaptability test 2. In this you have group discussions. In this group discussion you will be given a paper in which it is written something as article, as a story. You can see here, debate will be having 1 minute of introduction with us, and post introduction of yourself you have to give a topic, and you have to give the opinion regarding that article which is given by you by the board. So you have to discuss among the people, but the language has to be English. You can't say in Hindi, because the group discussion is always English. So whoever is applying for the Air Force Y group, please go through whatever the selection process we have and learn the language of English, which is mandatory. If you want the interviewing concerning questions, it is given in my playlist, interviewing tips. Go through that. You will enjoy whatever the has been given. Next, we have you have to qualify in all the three subjects. Like in all the three stages, we can tell PFT adaptability test 1 and 2. Then you will have the medical examinations, eyesight you will be having. So in that eyesight, one thing is to be remembered, you have to read out from the down to up, for the up to down. So you can see the eyesight requirements 6 upon 6 or 6 upon 36. That is the X and Y group vary. You can directly have a look into it. Next, medical call letters. If you are qualified students for medical center, you will be given different places. Medical, whoever goes, they have to attend at these places, and you have to get your medical done at these locations. For the qualified students, then once you're not fit in them, then you will be called for remedical, and you may have if you may have again, you have to come in front of the board. So that is what to be done. And next we have, there are various things what we have to remember. Hands alignment. So here in navy, in air force, in army, so hands alignment is mandatory, because you have to hold the gun, you have to be strong with your hands, and you have to lift some weight. So this is what your hands alignment will be checked in medical. Next, the color blindness test, normal vision and achromatopsia. So this is what exactly they will be checked. As I can read, 12, 8, 6, 29, 57, 5, 3, 15, 74, 5, 6, 57, 5, 42. These are all I can read them. So it's a color blindness test you have to go through. They will get the pen in front of your eyes. So the down one, which is a good of nature, you have to look at the pen only. You can't be the upper one. And now the technology has changed. They will directly check your eyesight by using the equipment. Next we have Weber test. They will see your ears, whether you have got the wax or whether you are able to hear or not. They will make some sound. You have to say whether it is two times or twice he clicked up. You can call me on my mobile number. This is 7667302552. You can join on Defense ICT Telegram for picturized learning. If you are interested, have a look. If you don't watch my Telegram, you are the loser, because I knew what exactly had put in my telegram. In a pictorial manner, it is explained. And the breathing as well as blood pressure will be measured. Now the technology has changed. The sphygmomanometer has become advanced. They will tell, that equipment will tell exactly what is the blood pressure as well as breathing. The doctor will check you whether you have any kind of acute bronchitis or something, respiratory disorders. This is one thing, you should not have any kind of white patches on your face. If you have it, please consult a dermatologist. Knock knees. If you have the knock knees, you will be in trouble. You have to correct your knock knees by doing few exercises. Just have a look whatever the exercises have been given in this slide, or you can go through YouTube channel. And the knee alignment, you can see how exactly the normal legs and bow legs and knock knees, what exactly the difference is. Next we have few exercises, and you have to take few care while sleeping. You should have the pillow between your legs. That will help you a lot. These exercises will help you in making your legs straight. Next one thing is flat foot. So which is the normal foot, as you can see to the left side, and the center and right foot you are unfit. So you should have the normal foot. That is one thing you should remember. And you have to care your flat foot. If you have the flat foot, you will get in the market these type of small glue thing, or you can wear these type of straps for your flat foot and wear it in your shoes and continuously keep on having it. Next, insoles. One thing very important, you must use insoles irrespective of any time. If you don't use insoles, you will be in trouble, because the insoles give you cushion for your best results of legs. Better get the shoes from the Kalenji, that is a Kalenji company. You will find in Decathlon near about 15 to 2000 rupees. The shoe cost, you can directly consult online stores and you can get it from the Decathlon stores. So if you want, you can go through my video which is given in playlist. There you will find how exactly the shoes have. And fractures, if you have gone through fracture or any kind of accident, so this thing one you have to remember, you have to intimate them. Now you have to prove them whether you are okay with the push-ups or sit-ups. Next, hemorrhoids. This hemorrhoids is one thing, people used to have maximum spicy food and they consume less water, that directly affect your digestive system, which is very bad for your intestinal problems. So it is one thing, hemorrhoids, which is to be rectified by the Ayurvedic or whatever the procedure you have. Next, nose. This is normal and obstruction we have. The normal, as you can see, the obstruction you can see. This is what exactly you have to correct yourself. Normal thing. If you have any problem, you can directly consult the doctor. Dental checkups and tongue. This is one thing, you will be checking the points, dental points. That points has to be as per the required norms of Indian Air Force. So please go through whatever the norms have been given. If you have any teeth got decayed, then get it root canaled and maximum one or two will be permissible. Appendicitis. It is common practice. It is a vestigial organ. If you had gone through appendicitis, no problem. You can intimate them. There is nothing problem in having the surgery. You are fit for Air Force if you have gone through this also. Massage your joints. That is one thing. Whenever you do exercises, you must undergo massage. If you don't do it, you will be in trouble. Diet is mandatory. The diet has to be taken in a balanced manner. If you don't take proper diet, you will be weak and you will be less in a protein deficiency you will be having. And maintain the balanced diet, which is very important. Water consumption, it's very important. Take the ORS salts. This water consumption is most important. X and Y training and salary. This is one thing. The salary during the training you will be given a stipend, but the salary, as you can see, for the X group 33,100 plus you will be having dearness allowance. In the case of Y group, we have 26,900 plus DNS allowance, as well as salary of education instructor. You will be promoted direct to the rank of sergeant. Then you will be like 40,600 plus DA will be given. So this, along with this, you will be given transportation allowance, composite personal maintenance allowance, leave ration allowance, children education allowance. Everything will be given for you. And the allowances: transport, composite, leave ration, children education, HRA, ration and clothing, medical facilities, accommodation, canteen facilities, annual leave of 60 days, casual leave of 30 days, group insurance cover for the rupees of 37.5 lakhs, but the amount will be deducted every month from your salary. Recreational facilities, you will have the transportation and LTC. You will be coming home, you will be given a train ticket fare. Housing scheme also will be there, Air Force Naval Housing Board scheme. So this thing for the loan of any kind of home will be taken in metropolitan cities. Facilities by AFWA. This is one thing, Air Force Wives Welfare Association will be, facilities will be given for wives also. Your rank structure, as you can see, the initially once you will be inducted into Air Force, you will be joined as a aircraftsman, then leading aircraftsman, corporal, sergeant, and then followed by the JCO rank, that is junior warrant officer, and master warrant officer. You can see the down below, or you can see the officer's rank as well. Next we have Firefighting drills. This is common to each and every Air Force, Army, Navy. Everybody will be taught of using the firefighting equipments, which is because everywhere technical work or wherever you go near the aircraft or wherever the office places, you must know how to use the firefighting equipment. Firing practice will be done. You will be having the firing session. You have to go through all these firing practices. And next, what we have to remember is running. So this is one thing. Running is important for each and every forces. So you will be given a good physical exercise and cross country athletics, everything. Adventures will be having like hot air ballooning, mountaineering, bike expeditions will be having, skiing, water sports, athletics, shooting, parasailing, hang gliding, paramotor, volleyball, and games. Everything you'll have. Along with the sports quota candidates, they can go for bodybuilding or whatever they are professional in their own stream. Shooting is one thing where you can do your best from the Air Force and you can recognize the best from the Air Force. Next, we have wrestling, the sports. Again, in athletics, in Air Force also there are tri-services forces where you will be having the meet together and they will play among themselves and they will be having different championships among the three tri-forces. And the cricket players will be there, and as well as awards will be given from the president also because of your performance. And the tenure and retirement, this is one thing you have to remember. This tenure will be for 20 years in Air Force. In the case of Navy, it is 15 years, and the retirement you will be taking only when you have the requirement to leave. If you think that I want to serve more, you can stay there by showing your physical and medical fitness as well as character record has to be good in Air Force, because we are aware that 20 years is bond and the age it will be 38 to 40 years. It is your wish whether you want to or you do want to leave. Next one thing is benefits post retirement. So after retirement, what exactly the benefits you will have? You will be given a voluntary retirement service after 20 years. You have a chance to appear in bank and insurance sectors, and you have a reservation in as a ex-serviceman. You can directly go through those tests. And next we have the SSC, CGL, CPO, CHSL, MTS. These exam can be appeared by all ex-servicemen. You will be given reservation for you people. Even I got selected in SSC CGL as a tax assistant, though I am from Indian Navy. So this is one thing I just want to tell you guys. If you want to do the job, you can do. If you want to have your own business, that is your wish. And if you think that whatever the slides I had prepared, they are good and it's of good nature, you directly have a look in my playlist. You will have a maximum videos regarding this, and I hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any kind of trouble in understanding, please let me know. I'll do my best to make you understand. But let me tell you guys, join in Telegram. That is one thing what I can tell you. So this is one thing, end of the show. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life, guys.